Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've signed in and confirmed the image is in Drive. Now open it. On desktop, navigate to My Drive, locate the file, then double-click or press Enter to load the preview. On mobile, tap the file thumbnail to enter preview mode. Once done, use the preview because it's fast and non-destructive. It avoids downloads and shows basic image tools. Make sure to note the file name and location so you can manage or share it next. Once the preview loads, inspect the toolbar to zoom, rotate, or download. Those tools solve most viewing needs. If you can't find the image, search Drive by name or filter by type. For example, type PNG or type JPG, which is faster than browsing folders. If the image format is hike or another unsupported type, use Open With and pick Google Photos or a connected app. This converts or renders the file. These steps give you viewing flexibility and preparation. To finish, download or choose Open With to edit the image in another app and move it into the correct folder to keep things tidy. When sharing, create a link and set viewer or editor permissions so recipients can access it instantly. If the file won't open, check that you have permission, confirm the format and size, or try incognito mode and clear cache. If needed, reupload the original file. That troubleshooting tip fixes most access and compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.